Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wicked Designs. Today, I'm trying something a little sparkly. Turning a simple glass jar into a glittery Jack Skellington candle holder. I've seen so many cute ones online, so of course, I had to give it a go myself. I started off by cleaning my jar really well to make sure the glue sticks nicely. Then I used my Cricut to cut out a vinyl stencil of Jack Skellington's face. Because honestly, what's a better vibe for a glitter candle than a little bit of Halloween magic, right? Once the stencil was in place, I brushed on a layer of regular glue. Not glitter glue, just the classic kind. Make sure you give the jar a good, even coat of glue. And then I sprinkled on my first coat of glitter. I put a clean sheet of butcher paper underneath, so I can catch the glitter and put it back and use the glitter a second time. I try to get it as even as possible, giving the jar a good shimmer all around. I let it dry for about 20 minutes. When it was dry enough, I added a second coat of glue again. I used a good amount of glue, and then added the glitter. You can see the difference already, it is really sparkly. Also, take your time, you are never in a rush when crafting. Make sure you coat your jar good with the glitter. I let it set for 10 minutes. While the glue was still wet, I carefully peeled off that first vinyl stencil. While that is the best practice, I didn't let it set long enough. But letting it sit for too long is also a problem, but I found out later. While I removed the first sticker, I scratched the jar. You can imagine I was not happy about that. So because of that, I decided to leave the other stencil on overnight, hoping it would create a crisp, bold outline once I peeled it off the next day. Well, that was the plan anyway. When I finally wanted to take the stencil off, it was so stuck I didn't get it off easily. I made a big mess, and the design didn't come out quite how I imagined. Let's just say, this one definitely didn't go on the Pinterest win board, but that's okay. Crafting is all about experimenting, and honestly, I learned a lot from this little fail. Next time, I will let the glue sit a bit longer, but not overnight. Even when projects don't work out, they still teach us something. And sometimes the messy ones are the most fun. If you enjoy real-life crafting moments, the good, the bad, and the glittery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative chaos here on Wicked Designs.